Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, yesterday I made a video telling y'all about the Spotify method, how to submit a Spotify track link the right way. I went ahead and updated my website, giving y'all examples of Spotify track links, but I want to break this down a little bit more. I watched over that video and I felt like I didn't get to the point quick enough. So on this video, I want to share exactly how to submit your Spotify link for the Spotify method. Now, when you go to my website and you want the done for you service, when you want me to promote your Spotify links, you have to submit the correct Spotify link. Now, I've received over 300 orders, right? Every order I've received have been fulfilled, right? And they're currently in progress to completion. A lot of orders have been complete, but some orders are still in progress to completion. But only 6 different orders, right? Only 6 different orders were canceled. And I'm showing y'all this to let y'all know a lot of y'all are submitting your track link right. A lot of y'all are submitting the proper link you're supposed to submit. And the service I use to promote your songs, right? Like, it'll detect if, like, so for example, if you ordered 1,000 premium streams and you sent your Spotify artist account link, right, instead of a Spotify track link, it'll detect that and it'll cancel the order. And when I go back and I check, after the day, just to make sure no orders were canceled, if I see, oh, you submitted a track link when you wanted followers, I'll change that for you. And I've changed every cancel order, so I've changed all those. But I want to let you know what can't be canceled, right? So if you submit an order, if you submit your track link, right, and you submit the wrong track link, say if you wanted to promote a different song on the album, and you send a different track, right? Once I receive the submission form, I start the campaign immediately. Like, I normally start the campaign within that hour. You'll receive an email through PayPal. If you submit it, if you paid through PayPal, you'll receive an email. But I normally start my campaigns within that same hour. So if you submit the wrong Spotify link and I run the campaign, I cannot cancel it, right? If it goes through on the campaign. But, like, for example, if you wanted to get followers, like if you were doing a campaign for Spotify followers and you sent a track link, right, it'll automatically cancel if something like that happened. But if you send just, like, if you wanted to promote one song, you send another song link and I submit that song, I can't cancel that. Like, that campaign has to run its course, right? And I went ahead and I updated the services, right? I offer different services now on my Spotify premium order form, right? We have the Spotify premium streams. We have the Spotify premium album and playlist plays. We have the Spotify followers and the Spotify packages, right? And I also added Spotify search premium plays. Now, I'm about to break down all of these just so y'all can understand how to submit for each offer, right? Now, if you submit any offer for Spotify premium streams, right, for 1,000 to 1 million or 5,000, any of these offers for Spotify premium streams right here, you have to submit a Spotify track link, right? In order to get a Spotify track link, you just simply go to your Spotify account, your Spotify artist profile, and next to every song, right, you will see, if I can zoom in, next to every song you will see these 3 dots, right? These 3 dots. All you have to do is press those 3 dots. Hold on, let me zoom out. You press those 3 dots and then you'll see a share link, and then you can copy the song link. And once you copy the song link, it's copied to the clipboard. I recommend, when you want to really have all your ducks in a row and everything lined up, is to create a note or on your phone or a Word document, something like that, with all of the Spotify track links that you want to promote, for your Spotify campaigns, and save them and just have them already ready, right? When you want to get a Spotify track link, you have to go here and press share and copy the link. Now, when you want an album link, like let's go to an album that I released. When you want to get the album link, when you want to promote an entire album, right? If you want to promote an entire album or playlist, you have to select either 10,000 premium playlist, the album / playlist plays, right? It's a new offer. You have to select these offers when you want to promote an album on my website, so I know, right? So you have to either select the 10,000 offer or the 100,000 offer, right? And when you select these for your playlist or your album, how to get the playlist or album link, you just have to go click on the playlist or click on the album, and at the top you will see 3 dots, right? And then you just go to share, and then it'll say copy album link, right? So when you copy in a track link and an album link is different. You know, a track link, when you go to share, it'll say copy song link, right? But an album link, it'll say copy album link when you copy it from the computer, right? And this is from the computer. When you copy it on your phone, it should sort it the right way. Even if it appears as an album link, if you copy it from your phone, it has a code in there that directs it to only focus on the specific song if you do it right. So just letting y'all know exactly how it works. And if you wanted to promote a playlist, like you would just go to a playlist. This is a playlist Spotify created for me, and you would just click on those 3 dots, go to share, copy link to playlist, right? So if it's an album, it's gonna say copy album link. If it's a song, it's gonna say copy song link. And if it's a playlist, it'll say copy playlist link, right? And then you would just copy that, right? And then you come over here, enter in playlist link, go to 10,000 premium album or playlist plays, and you will order it. And that way the streams will get evenly distributed throughout the entire playlist or throughout the album, right? If you submit an album link or a track link, right, through the Spotify premium streams, it'll only go to the top song on that playlist. It'll only go to, you know, it won't evenly split it if you don't select the album / playlist plays. And when you want to submit for a Spotify package, whether it's the starter package, the standard package, advanced package, you have to submit a Spotify track link only, right? Whatever package you want, when you want to combine the plays, the saves, and the follows, all I need is a Spotify track link, and I'll be able to run those promotions. Also, if you want to test out the Spotify search premium plays, where your song is searched through Spotify search before it's streamed, right, which will increase the engagement on your profile tab, right? If you want to test out that service, you have to also submit a Spotify track link only. So I just want to put that out there. Only time if you want the streams distributed through an album or through a playlist, you have to select the Spotify premium album playlist service, right? I have 2 offers, one for 10,000, one for 100,000. You can get those streams evenly distributed throughout the entire playlist or album, right? So I just wanted to bring that to y'all attention, and just to let y'all know, once you start a Spotify campaign, it cannot be canceled unless you submitted the wrong link, right? So and that's like the wrong category link. So if you submit for track plays and you seeing your artist profile, it'll cancel. But if you submit for track plays and you just sent the wrong track that you wanted to promote, that campaign will still run. It won't be any conflict, and it'll still run. It'll still give the streams to the track you sent. So just make sure y'all sending the right Spotify link, the Spotify track link, whether you want your album promoted, whether you want a playlist promoted, or whether you want followers for your account. And if you made a mistake, it was only like 1 or 2 people that made the mistake of sending a track link when they wanted Spotify premium followers, and I already corrected those orders. So If anybody have any questions, y'all can email me at info@yonworld.org. info@yonworld.org. Y'all can email me about the Spotify method. I'll help you out. I charge $250 for mentoring. Only simple customer service questions will be answered through the email. Questions about orders, things like that. But it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.